In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a back to top button in Wix. This simple addition helps visitors quickly jump to the top of long pages, improving navigation and overall user experience. Start in the Wix editor on the page, where you want the button. On the left-hand toolbar, click the plus icon, the Add button. This opens the content panel where you can insert elements. From there, choose Buttons, so you're working with a proper clickable element instead of a decorative shape. To keep things both clear and stylish, open the Text and Icon Buttons category. These presets combine a label with an icon, making the function obvious at a glance. Select a button style that includes an upward arrow or a clear up indicator. The icon helps users recognize the purpose instantly. Once you add it to the page, drag the button to your preferred spot. A common choice is the lower right corner, since it's easy to reach on wide screens. Leave a little space from the edges so it doesn't feel cramped or collide with other floating items. With the button selected, look for the link icon in its toolbar and click it. This is where you define what happens when the button is pressed. In the link settings, choose top or bottom of page to link the button to a built-in anchor, then select top. This ensures the button scrolls the visitor right back to the top of the current page. Confirm your choice by clicking Done so the link is saved. Next, right-click the button to open more options and select Pin to Screen. Pinning keeps the button fixed in place while the page content scrolls underneath, which is exactly what you want for a persistent back-to-top control. In the pin settings, choose the screen position where you want it to live, such as bottom right. Adjust the offset so it sits comfortably above any chat bubbles or cookie banners, and make sure it's not blocking important content. A few quick tips before you wrap up. Keep the button large enough to click easily. Ensure there's strong contrast between the button and your background, and use a short label like top or back to top for clarity. After placing and pinning, scroll your page to confirm the button stays visible and that a click takes you smoothly to the top. If you're designing for mobile, check the mobile editor to fine-tune the position so it's comfortable for thumbs and doesn't overlap key controls. And that's it. Your back to top button in Wix is ready to help visitors navigate with ease.